Successfully managing your company's supply chain plays a crucial role in sustaining consistent growth and profitability. As your business expands, so do the complexities and demands of your supply chain. That's why at SVT we'll partner with you to bring innovative, cost-effective solutions to every aspect of the supply chain. Our experts will draw from years of experience to develop a solution covering every stage of the supply chain, with a focus on strategic planning, inventory management, distribution, warehousing, customer service, and reverse logistics, adding value and efficiency from start to finish. And with SVT, you won't get a quick pre-packaged solution. We take the time to get to know your company and the challenges you face with your supply chain demands. And whether it's targeting a specific area or end-to-end coverage, we'll create a solution perfectly engineered to suit your needs. To learn more, visit www.svtsupplychain.com.